I will not agree, oh. The thing I'm going to do to you. You will not go anywhere. In fact, I'm going to seize this car. Biko, please, calm down. Biko, ma.
Oyibo, I am sorry. I am so sorry.
Sorry what? What kind of useless sorry? Do you know what I went through? You took my money, you ran away with August money. People are abusing me everywhere I'm going to. Eh? My hard-earned money, you took it and you ran away. In fact, I promised my mother that I was going to bite you on your neck. This is your neck that is looking very nice, so I'm going to bite it before you go.
Oyibo, that's why I said I'm sorry, okay? I was just hustling, trying to make money to travel abroad, as a young man, okay? But now I'm back. I'm back to this town to put up good businesses around, okay? So I am going to pay you. In fact, double or triple with other persons I'm owing, okay?
So you're looking for money to travel abroad, and then you decided to render other people useless. Took our money and you ran away. Eh? If I did not see you here, would you have paid the money? Would you have come looking for Oyibo, Oge, and every other person whose money you stole to pay them back? You're a very bad person. Standing bank.
Eh? Calm down. You get more than this, so.
Exactly.
Look, anyhow you want him to pay, he will pay.
Yes, Oyibo. Just mention your price. Mention it, and I will pay you right here, right now. You'll be surprised.
Dennis.
No.
Hey, yeah, don't talk to me. This man is a very wicked man. I will not even allow him marry you. I will not allow him marry you.
No,
Sister, calm down.
I'm ready. Actually, we're
calm down.
Oh?
Dennis.
And
I want you to make a transfer of 10 million naira to her account.
So what are we waiting for? I can do that right here, right now.
Open the app.
I can do that.
Sister, your account number.
Please, when you finish, we go. Assist me. I'm marrying my sister.
Okay. I'm already on it. Your account number, please.
010
010
60
60.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.